Lights. Camera. Action.
All right, welcome back to Miss Tim's online math class. Yay, today is May 1st. Incredible, can't believe we're in May. 22 more days, we're not counting until school's done. Nope. Okay, so we are talking about the survey that had to do with how many goldfish were in the jar. You'll have to wait to the end to find out. All right, so then we started out with this lovely puzzle. Lovely fruit puzzle. So what is that value down at the bottom? The value was 26. We're going to have a shout out. To these kiddos for getting that correct. Logan, Champ, Nina, Cole, Emiliano, Zuzana, Cadence, Eduardo, Layla, Ruthie, and Sitlali. Good job, guys. Oh, before I go any further, I forgot again. Yes, today we are brought to you by these lovely PJs. Got this nice nightgown from Walmart. It's my Harry Potter. And this lovely robe. Yeah, this is my summertime robe because it's almost summertime outside. We're getting close. All right, back to the survey. Oh, yeah. This one really surprised me. So the question is, did you want to be 2 years younger or 5 years older? And I thought that most kids would want to be 5 years older, but you guys surprised me. We had 23 responses that said they wanted to be 2 years younger, and 17 responses that said they wanted to be 5 years older. So that's a 58%. Most of you guys want to be younger. Me as well, because you know what? If I did 5 years older, I'd have a cane and it wouldn't be pretty. Yeah. So, yeah, and then the 5 years older percentage was 42%. So, thanks for answering that question. I was a little bit surprised. All right, on to our next puzzle, which was, oh, wait. I think I skipped one. No, maybe I didn't skip one. Well, let's see. We've got the joke of the week. There we go. Joke of the week. It says, what do you call cheese that isn't yours? All right, so, yeah.
Nacho cheese.
I got to give this shout out to... Thank you. Shout out to Cesar because he said it would be stolen. And I got to give a little shout out to Cole because I liked the way he wrote his answer. Yes, the answer is nacho cheese. So we got all these kiddos that got that correct. We got Logan, Milana, Champ, Sabier, Emiliano, Layla, Jasmine, Carlos E, Gabby, Ruthie, Thea, Cadence, Gabe, Carlitos, Marissa, Vanessa, Vicente, Danny, Edgar, Shay, Sitlali, Nina, Eduardo, Natalie O, William, Vadim, Leslie I.E., Campbell, Zuzana. Thank you very much. You got that correct. Awesome. All right, moving on. On here, I asked you guys a couple questions, and I thought we got some great responses. So let me get to that on my survey. This was, what's your favorite thing to do when you're during this stay-at-home time? And now we're at a safer at home. And so I just thought I'd share some of those responses in case you were like, well, I have nothing to do. I get it. Some of the favorite things to do are play video games, watch movies, spend time with family, to cook, hang out with siblings, craft, spend time outside, go hiking, dance, sing, watch Netflix. That's mine. Be able to take your time on your homework. That's a good time. Nothing good about stay at home. Going on your scooter, FaceTime families. Let's see, hang out with family, Minecraft, board games, jump on your tramp, do origami, fishing, play soccer. I'm wondering how you play soccer by yourself, but okay, maybe you have a big family. Build Legos, sleep. Yeah, that's my favorite too. 000. No idea what that means. Spend more time with family. Let's see. I think watch YouTube, eat. No, I'm not doing, yeah. It's called the Quarantine 15, something like that. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll just keep going. Xbox video games. All right. So we got some good ideas of what kids are up to. And then this next question, what do you not like? And most of you guys kind of said staying at home and not being around your friends. Oh, I love this response. I don't get to see my amazing math teacher. Yay. I love that one. Oh, and then this one really made me laugh because it was like nothing. I pretty much am an introvert who stays home 24/7 until my parents say that we're leaving. So I don't really feel affected. I'm with you, buddy. I don't mind staying home. Sorry, but I kind of like hanging out at home as well. All right, that's our big survey. So I wanted to go over a couple of these puzzles that I posted in my video last week and give you the answers. If you've already emailed me, that's awesome. I love that. So this little symbol right here is an infinity symbol. So this is to infinity and B over D, beyond. Beyond, B on D. So to infinity and beyond. Yeah. The next one, so I told you that was an arc. This is a check mark, but it also can be called tick, a tick mark. So this is arc, tick, circle, Arctic Circle. Number 3, to be or not to be. And then this last one, ones, over, time, once upon a time. So that is the answer to those puzzles. Okay, on this week's survey, you guys are going to guess how many of these lovely cotton balls are in this jar. Now, if you got a chance to zoom in, ooh, you will notice a little bit of extra stuff on these cotton balls. So I thought I would explain. My middle son does not like cotton balls. So we take the cotton balls and we prank him with them. We stick them in his shoes and on his pillows. And he just doesn't like that sort of weird sound that they make when you squeeze them. So because we have 2 black dogs, wait a minute, they're sleeping in class. 2 black dogs. There's a little bit of extra dog hair on these cotton balls. So if you were just wondering, thought I would explain that. Okay, now we are on to the main event. Oh, okay, not yet. So, you guys wanted to know how many goldfish were in the jar. And we had a lot of interesting guesses. This one was interesting. Somebody always has to be that outlier. The outlier, we got it. All right, here is our guess from our friend who thought that maybe, just possibly, there were this many goldfish in the jar. Yeah, this many goldfish. Right. You're off by a few.
Oh, just a
good guess. Good guess. So this though was interesting because it brought up a math/science concept. Okay, and that is called scientific notation. When we have a number that has all those zeros, we have figured out a way to write it in a more efficient form. Because you know, mathematicians want to be efficient. So, this is the scientific notation for that lovely number. And that would be 2 times 10 to the 54th power. See, that number outlier. But this is an easier way to write the number, so there you go. You're like, well, when would you ever use scientific notation? Well, to go to the Earth, from the Earth to the moon is 238,900 miles. We can write that in scientific notation. Here we go. Scientific notation. Isn't that pretty? I like it. 2.389 times 10 to the 5th miles from the Earth to the moon. When else might we use that? Well, how about the speed of light? The speed of light is 1.08 times 10 to the 9th kilometers per hour. Speed of light. And then another one, of course, I know you were asking this one. How far is it from the Earth to the sun? 1.5 times 10 to the 11th meters to the sun. So lots of different times when we can use that scientific notation. Save some paper. There we go. All right. Last thing to say before I get into the final reveal of how many goldfish were in the jar. Don't forget, email me. Right, that's right. If you guys have watched this video, please email me. I'd love to know what you think about scientific notation. Maybe you just email me and say, yeah, I have no idea what that is. Don't worry, you're going to learn about it in 7th grade. That's part of the math curriculum. But anyway, email me. Let me know that you watched this video. Tell me about scientific notation. And we are on to the final part and the big reveal. And the number of goldfish in the jar was
421!
421 goldfish. Yes, I counted those all by myself.
Totally.
And the person that got closest was Zuzana. She guessed 350. So, despite there being a big gap there, she was actually pretty close compared to some of our other guesses, as you can see. Yeah. All right, so good job, Zuzana. Thanks, you guys, for watching. We will see you back here next week. Got a few more weeks of these videos for you. And until then...
Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye.
Bye.